Hi students, a very good morning to all of you. Now today we are going to discuss the derivation for the formula of conservation of momentum. As we know that in previous class we had already discussed the what is the conservation momentum. Okay, and in this class we are going to discuss derivation for the formula for conservation of momentum. Clear? So you write it. Derivation for the formula of conservation of momentum. Conservation momentum. Okay, clear? Relation for the formula of conservation of momentum. Okay, first to write the statement. Let us consider two bodies traveling in a same direction along a straight line having masses MA and MB. Object A and B. Clear? And velocities UA and UV respectively. Clear? So there is no action force along acting on it. There is no external forces acting on them. Okay. So after that you have to make the diagram. The two objects, that is first MA and moving in this direction. Second object MB, MA and MB moving in this also in same direction. That is MA is moving with the speed of UA and MB is moving with the speed of UV. Clear? Clear? This is before collision. Before collision. This is before collision. Clear? During collision, okay, this is MA, this is MB. Okay, during collision, this object apply a force on B, that is known as FAB, and same time this object MB is applying force, that is FPA. But both forces are in opposite direction, equal in magnitude but opposite in direction, and this is the during collision. During collision. Clear? Now after collision, why they will collide? Because here UA is greater than UB. दोनों सेम डायरेक्शन मूव कर रहे हैं बट यूए एमए की स्पीड एमबी से ज्यादा है तो स्ट्राइक होगी, कोलिजन होगा. Now after collision, this is the figure of after collision. MA, MB, okay. Again, after collision they are also say, moving in same direction, but the velocity changes. This velocity converted into VA, and this is VB. This is the after collision. Clear? This is after collision. Okay. Now here we can say that after that you write here, if UA is greater than UB, then there is a collision. There is collision for time t second. For time t second, and ball A exerts force FAB, and ball B also exert force FBA. Okay, so VA and VB are the velocities of balls A and B after collision. So the momentum for ball A before and after the collision So momentum for ball A before and after collision, and MA UA is MA UA and MA BA respectively. Okay, that is the rate of change of momentum. The rate of change of momentum of ball A during the collision is MA Similarly, the rate of change of momentum of ball B is MB bracket VB minus UB upon T. Clear? This is. First of all, you note it, then after we will discuss after that topic, after that point, okay? Okay. Now after that, I'll drop this point, and after that we will discuss after this point. Okay. Now, so according to Newton's law, we know that we write here. So according to Newton's law, Newton's third law, Newton's third law, FAB is equal to FBA, and but this is in opposite direction, so we have to here minus sign. After this, we have to apply the value of FAB, and FAB value is MA bracket VA minus UA upon T. Okay, and minus MB bracket VB minus UB upon T. Clear? But this is in minus sign. So after both T is cancelled out, okay, and multiply this MA into open this bracket. So what you got? MAVA minus MAUA is equal to this minus MB multiplied with VB minus MB VB, and this minus goes here and it converts into plus sign MB UB. Clear? Okay. But we know that what? We know that this momentum before collision means the velocity of before collision of an object is UA. So this UA comes one side and this VB comes one side. V is come one side and U is come one side, means U को एक तरफ करना है, V को एक तरफ करना है। तो आप ये देखिए माइनस साइन इसको उधर ले जाइए, MAVA, और इस माइनस VV को इस साइड आएगा, माइनस आएगा इस साइड प्लस हो जाएगा, इट फॉर टू प्लस MBVV, क्लियर। और इस माइनस साइन को साइड ले जाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, प्लस MAUA प्लस MBUB। अब देखिए ये आ गया आफ्टर कोलिजन, ये आ गया मोमेंटम बिफोर कोलिजन। सो यू राइट लाइक दिस, इस पूरी वैल्यू को आप इस साइड लिख लीजिए, आप लिख लेंगे MAUA प्लस MBUB इज इक्वल टू MAVA प्लस MBVB। This is your formula. Okay, momentum before collision equal to momentum after collision. Clear? Okay, noted. Okay, now class we will discuss next topic and next question. Okay, class, this is your last topic of this chapter. Okay, now this chapter is completed, so we will discuss some questions, and after that we will start new chapter of chemistry. Okay, so all of you make some notes and make note and do all the questions which are given in your NCRTs. This is your homework for you. If you have any problem in that question, you can ask me. Clear? Okay. Okay. Now class will discuss some questions which is given in your book. some numericals. Okay. First, we will discuss the questions on the basis of the law of conservation of momentum. Okay, means momentum before collision and momentum after collision. Clear? So there is a question number intake question. Question number 1 is easy, you have to do yourself. Question number 2. Question number 2. Clear? See annual book. This is the test question. From a rifle of mass 4 kg, a bullet of mass 50 gram is fired with an initial velocity of 35 meter per second. Calculate the initial recoil velocity of the rifle. Means जब आप बुलेट चलाते हैं, गन चलाते हैं, बुलेट जब बाहर निकलती है तो at same time the gun recoil in backward side. बुलेट आगे की तरफ निकला और गन पीछे की तरफ आया ड्यू टू द न्यूटन्स थर्ड लॉ. क्लियर? तो किस वेलोसिटी से वो पीछे की तरफ आया, वी हैव टू फाइंड दैट वेलोसिटी. क्लियर? सो फर्स्ट टू राइट मास of rifle. So you write here mass of M1 rifle is 4 kg. Okay, recoil velocity you have to find. Okay, you have to find the recoil velocity. Then this is question mark, and final velocity of that is what? 0 meter per second. Clear? A bullet of mass 40 gram fired with an initial velocity of 35 meter per second. Okay, 35 meter per second is what? 35 meter per second is a initial velocity of the bullet. So first object is rifle. Okay, first object is rifle and second object is bullet. So mass of bullet is equal to, is given in your book, that is what? 50 gram. So you have to convert this 50 gram into kilogram, then 0.5 kilogram. Clear? Sorry, 0.5 divided by 1000. 0.05 kilogram. Clear? Now initial velocity of bullet is minus 35 meter per second. Clear? And final velocity of the bullet is 0 meter per second because last में जाके रुक जाएगी. So you know that momentum before collision is equal to momentum after collision. Okay? So write your formula is m1 u1 plus, your formula is m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 p1 plus m2 v2. Okay, now m1 is what? 4. U is what? You have to find this u, recoil velocity. Okay, plus m2 is what? m2 is 0.05 and u2 is minus 335 meter per second. Okay, and after m1 is 4, final velocity is 0 plus 0.05 into 0, v2 is 0. Okay, mass of the bullet is also 0 after striking the object, so this object becomes 0. So 4 into u, 4 into u plus multiply 35 and 5, 25 by 2 70, 2 digit point and minus, means minus 1.75 minus 1.75. Okay, so 4u is equal to what? 1.75. So u is equal to 1.75 divided by 4. Okay, now you cut it, you got 0.4375 meter per second. Okay, if you are not taking this minus here, because recording में अगर विषय आता है और ये इंडिकेट करता है, अगर आप यहाँ माइनस साइन नहीं लेते हैं तो आपका आंसर माइनस में आएगा। क्लियर? और माइनस में आएगा, माइनस ये शो करेगा, माइनस साइन इंडिकेट ये करेगा बुलेट आपकी रिकॉइल हो रही है पीछे की तरफ। क्लियर? अंडरस्टूड? ओके, नोटेड। Okay class, so you have to do all the answer, all the questions to yourself. Clear? Okay, thank you to everyone.